Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I recreate this set of nails inspired by the MV of Twice Fancy. All the items that I've used in this video will be listed in the description box down below. Do remember to subscribe and press the bell notification button. Let's start off with the thumb design. The thumb design is inspired by Twice logo. So first, you have to paint your thumb with a baby blue color. Remember to cure it each time you paint a layer of color. I usually paint the color twice for the color to be well distributed. Please layer more if required, it really depends on your nail polish. Next, take out your nail art brush and use a bright pink color to draw the Twice logo. Check out my inspiration board that is on the top right hand side of the video. Now, paint over the logo that I've just created with the same color to make the color more obvious. Once you're happy with the color, now all you have to do is to top coat and cure. Next, let's do our index finger. This design is inspired by the ombre sky that Nayeon is featured in. First, paint a layer of white color on your index finger and then cure. Now it's time for the ombre design. First, you will need to paint your nails with a layer of top coat. Do not cure at this step because we need to do some blending. So now let's paint the top and bottom area with pink color and cover the rest with purple. Then use your nail art brush to blend it slightly. Add on the colors if required and blend it again. Once you're happy with the result of the blending, it is time to cure. Next, take out your adhesive gel and apply a thin layer in the middle of the nail. And take out a diamond gem and place it in the middle of the nail and then cure. Remember to apply some adhesive gel at the side of the gem as well. Once you're done, top coat the nail and cure. Next, paint the middle finger with a black color polish. And then cure. Now it's time to do the galaxy design. Now paint the nails with a layer of top coat. Next, use navy blue, magenta, purple and white color to create the galaxy design. Blend the sides of each color lightly. And then cure. Layer on the same color again and blend it lightly. Do not overblend or you will ruin the galaxy design. And then cure. Next, use the dotting tool to create the planet. Dab a bit of white polish on the dotting tool and paint one small circle at the bottom right hand of the nail. With the same dotting tool, now use a bright orange polish and paint over the dot. And then cure. Now dab a bit of white color on a nail art brush and draw an orbit around the planet. Now use some black color and overlay the white color orbit that I just did earlier to make the planet look more obvious. And now you cure. Using the dotting tool again, dab a bit of white and create small dots around the nail. This is to create the star effect in the galaxy. Now you cure the design. now we are only left with the last step to complete the galaxy look, which is to layer one layer of glitter over the nails. And then cure. Finally, you have to top coat and cure the design again. Now let's move on to the ring finger. Paint over the nails with a pastel purple polish. And then you cure. In order to create the look of the MV as portrayed on the top right hand corner, I'm using confettis to cover all over the nails with it. Now you cure. Now let's top coat and cure again. Finally, paint your pinky with a white polish. Now using pink and blue polish, create random stripes all over the nails. And then use your nail art brush to blend it lightly. Now cure. Now you're done. So just top coat and cure. Using the nail surface cleanser, put a bit of the nail surface cleanser on a lint-free cotton pad, and then wipe off the sticky surface of the nails. Okay, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, do give me a like and comment down below. Thank you for watching.